Hi everybody, Tim from LogiSense here to talk a little bit about payments and how we disperse payments inside of LogiSense billing. Now, our customers have a wide range of how they handle payments. That could be automatic credit card transactions through a payment gateway. They could be taking checks. They might be taking bank transfers. And in some cases, they might need to be able to disperse a payment manually across multiple different invoices in the system. Now we're going to take a look at how we disperse a payment inside of the billing system. So let's jump into the software. So here we're in the billing profile of this customer. We have a few different invoices that have been generated. We've got a default invoice generated that's in here based off of a template that we have, but we're going to jump over to take a look at payments. So we can see that we have a couple of payments that have been dispersed against this account. And let's walk through what it looks like when a new payment would be coming in that we're going to manually handle in the system. So we could have automatic credit card payments that are happening in the background. First thing that's going to happen is going to automatically disperse those against the oldest invoice first. But let's take a look about adding a new payment into the system. So let's say here that we're going to add a new payment for $200. Now I have an option here. I can just put this as a deposit onto the account if I like. I can automatically disperse it, just like we talked about for being able to do the credit cards to the oldest invoice first. Or maybe I have a situation where my customer has an invoice that's in dispute. This invoice number 1 is a disputed invoice. They don't like some of the charges that are on there, and they're still talking to us to work out what that issue is. So they want to make a payment. They're happy with the new invoices in the system. They want to make a payment to the system, but they don't want to put it onto that first invoice. So we can go through here and selectively say, well, where am I going to put it? So I could put all $200 onto this invoice, or maybe I say I only want to do $100 onto this invoice, and I want to disperse the other $100 of that payment against another one. So it gives me a lot of flexibility on how I might want to take that payment, disperse it in the system. Same thing goes for any kind of credits that we might be wanted to apply to an account. Same process that we're using inside of the system. So that's a quick view on dispersing payments inside of LogiSense billing. Thanks a lot for joining, and we look forward to seeing you in other videos.